Good morning, Year 2. I hope you are okay. This is our Maths Lesson 5, and I'm just going to scroll through the workpack now and find the right page that you should be on now for today's Maths lesson. We should be looking at the page where there is the number line here. Okay, so you've got this number line here, and I'd like you to cut this out and sellotape them all together to make a number line, okay? Then what we're going to do is Mrs. Cochrane's going to say a number, and then I would like you to find that number on the number line, okay? So what you can probably notice, so if you need to pause this video whilst you get that all cut out, if you don't have any sellotape, that's also fine. I quite often run out of sellotape in my house. So you could just line them all up together, just so you can see them all in a straight line, okay? And then what Mrs. Cochrane will do is I'll say a number and you'll find that number on the number line. And what you might notice is there are numbers in blue and numbers in red. I've done a bit of work on this before. What do you think? Why do you think there are some numbers in blue and some numbers in red? Have a think about that. Yes, that's right. The blue numbers represent the even numbers and the red numbers represent the odd numbers. So look, I can see here 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Well done. The red numbers represent the odd numbers. Let's have a look here. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. I spoke to some children about this last week. There's a difference between an even number and an odd number. Can an even number be divided into two equal groups? Yes, it can, can't it? So if I've got 6 and I need to put it into two equal groups, I know I can just half that. I can half it down the middle, and I know that there will be, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'd know that there was 3 in each group, wouldn't I? We did some work on that last week, didn't we? So you can have a go at like doing some odd and even number work. Seeing if when we do this now, we're going to say if it's an odd number or an even number each time, okay? Right, so if you pause that, if you need to stick these all together, and we will get going. Okay. Right. First thing number I want you to find is, okay, it is an odd number. Okay, and do you know what I want to do? I'm going to tell you how many tens are in that number and how many ones are in that number. It is an odd number. There are 1 tens in the number and 7 ones. What number am I thinking of? Can you point to it on the number line? It is an odd number with 1 tens and 7 ones. See if you can find it on your number line, okay? That's right, it is 17. 17 has 1 10 and 7 ones, doesn't it? Well done. Okay, now my next number I'm going to tell you, I'm just going to say find this number. I'm just going to tell you, I'm just going to say, can you find this number on the number line? Can you find the number 83 on your number line? 83. Can you find 83 on your number line? 83 on your number line. Oh, I found it here. Is 83 an odd number or an even number? That's right, it's an odd number. It ends in a 3, which we know that if it's got 3 at the end, it's an odd number, don't we? How many tens are in 83? That's right, if we look here, if Mrs. Cochrane had done a T and an O here to represent the tens and ones, if we put them in a tens and ones column, there are 8 tens 8 tens are 80, and there are 3 ones, aren't there? Okay, another number on a number line. I'd like you to find the number 100 on the number line, if you've stuck it all together. Well done, 100 is here. And is that an odd number or an even number? Well done, it's an even number, isn't it? Because it ends in a 0. Okay, let's find another number. Okay, I'm going to go with, I'm going to say it in a different way this time. I am thinking of a number and it is 1 more than 29. Can you find the number 1 more than 29 on your number line, please? 1 more than 29. Well done. 1 more than 29 is 30. What is 1 less than 29 then? So if we've got 29 here, we know that 1 more than 29 is 30. So what is 1 less than 29? Well done, it's 28. More than means bigger, less than means smaller. So 30 is bigger than 29, is 1 bigger than 29, and 28 is 1 less than 29, isn't it? Well done. At home today, your grown-ups, I'd like your grown-ups to be saying to you, can you find me? And keep saying different numbers on the number line for you to find. You need to say if it's an odd number or an even number. They can say, can you find me 2 more than 15? 2 more than 15. So you, okay, can you find me the number that's 2 more than 15? Okay, so I found 15. And my grown-up has said, can you find me 2 more than it? So I know I need to jump 2. And I know that when I jump 2, I don't jump from here. I don't say 1 here, do I? I go 1, 2. 17, isn't it? Can you find me 3 more than 2? Let's find 2. We found 2 here. 1, 2, 3. 3 more than 2 is 5, isn't it? And 5 is an odd number because it is blue. Now it also says in your pack here, you will need a piece of string for this lesson and the number line. Okay, so if you have some string for this, I'd like you to cut your length of string to the same length as your number line that you've created on your floor. Once you've created that piece of string, cut that piece of string, I'd like you to then start estimating where numbers would go on your number line. So maybe move your stringer then away from your number line and estimate where 50 would go. Estimate where 100 would go. Estimate where 10 would go. Okay, so we're doing loads of number line work today. So that's all I want you to do, is to find different numbers on your number line. And I'd like you to bring this number line with you to our Zoom call as well, and have it in front of you for our Zoom call if you can. Because I might ask some questions about odd and even numbers or finding a number on a number line, so that we can really challenge ourselves there as well. So that's your job for today, is for your grown-ups to be telling you to find numbers on number lines, and then tomorrow you're going to have some questions. So what we're doing, like we're doing with all our maths lessons, is we're doing lots of like practical things too, and like really getting to know our numbers, and then you'll have questions following on that from that. Okay, so have a go at doing this, and then tomorrow we will focus on the questions. Okay, have a lovely day, year 2, and I can't wait to see any work that you get up to on WeDuck. Have a lovely day. Bye.